rational equations using the cross-multiply method. We can use this method pretty easily if we have one fraction set equal to one fraction, like we do in this example. And so we just cross-multiply. We take our 3, and we're going to do this cross-multiplying 3 times 2x plus 4. And then we have to remember to put the equal sign right here. I see some creative things on that. Equals x plus 2 times x minus 3. So we cross-multiplied. The reason why we wanted to do that is we just got rid of fractions, and now this is much easier to work with. So let's go ahead and get everything all laid out. We'll do some distributing and have 6x plus 12 equals this one over here. You know, if we do our foiling and combine our like terms, we'll have, let's see, x squared minus x minus 6. And when we see that we have a term with x squared and a term with x, we are going to have to factor this to solve for x. So let's get everything on the same side. We'll subtract the 6x and we'll subtract the 12. So we end up with 0 equals x squared minus 7x minus 18. And now to factor this, we want to look for factors of a negative 18 that will add up to a negative 7. And we come up with, let's see, negative 9 and a positive 2. So 0 equals x minus 9, x plus 2. And then this is where we take, anywhere we see that x, we're going to set these, do these little mini equations. X minus 9 equals 0, and x plus 2 equals 0. So we end up with x equaling a positive 9 and a negative 2. So solving the equation, that's what we think x equals. But does x really equal a 9 and a negative 2? This is where we check our solutions to see if we came up with any extraneous solutions. So if you just plug those back in, you know, first I'll do the 9, 3 over 9 plus 2. Okay, so that's 3 over 11. Is that equal to, if we do 9 minus 3 over 2 times 9 plus 4. Well, 9 minus 3 is 6. 2 times 9 is 18. 18 plus 4 is 22. So is 3 over 11 equal to 6 over 22? And then we would say, well, 6 over 2 can reduce if you divide them both by 2. We get that 3 over 11. So the 9 works. That is a solution. And then we just want to check to see if the negative 2 works. So 3 over negative 2 plus 2. And I can actually stop right here because this leaves us with 3 over 0. And mathematically, this can never happen. We'll never have a 0 in a denominator. So I know that negative 2 is not a solution, which leaves us with just x equaling 9 for our solution.